1. Let's start easy. Which animal is the fastest on land? Is it elephant, giraffe, cheetah, or bear? And the answer is cheetah. Cheetahs can run up to 120 kilometers per hour. That's faster than some cars. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Is it elephant, tiger, giraffe, or horse? Correct answer, giraffe. Giraffe. They can grow up to 18 feet tall. That's taller than a two-story house. Which animal lays the biggest eggs? Chicken, penguin, crocodile, or ostrich? It's the ostrich bird. Their eggs can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms. That's huge. Which animal has no teeth at all? Turtle, snake, shark, or octopus? Snake. Snake. They don't chew. They just swallow their food whole. Which animal can sleep while standing up? Horse, koala, snake, or penguin? It's the horse. Horse face. They lock their legs to snooze without falling. Which is the loudest animal on Earth? Elephant, lion, parrot, or blue whale? It's the blue whale. Whale. Its voice can be heard more than 800 kilometers away. Which animal lives the longest? Elephant, tortoise, whale, or gorilla? Tortoise. Turtle. Some tortoises live over 180 years. That's older than your great-great-grandpa. Which animal uses sound to see in the dark? Cat, bat, lion, or horse? It's the bat. Bat. They use echolocation to fly safely at night. Which animal can change color to hide? Chameleon, frog, parrot, or snake? Chameleon, lizard. They can change color to blend in or show emotion. Final question. Which animal carries its babies in a pouch? Bear, kangaroo, elephant, or lion? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Their baby, called a joey, stays safe in a warm pouch. How many did you get right? Comment below with your score. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes, and keep learning with us.